Firearms on the night of 12?
Yes, sir. During the transaction set up by Agent Brown, I attempted to buy 3 semi-automatics. I'm a victim for real. Everything I turned this shit.
This shit nice as hell, Christian.
I really don't like it.
Shit nice as hell, Christian. Look at this shit.
Hey, I need to get to church, bro. Huh? I need to get to church.
That motherfucker nice.
Man, I'm out of town right now. What's
Double L.
I reminisce on the stress I caused.
Damn, I come out to a mini car show, didn't I? Woo, look at that mug. I seen this mug action last night. This mug clean as hell. Oh, let me back up a little bit. You see Bay over there. Here. You see her. See it in the cut. You see Bay in the cut. But I'm talking about this thing right here, man. Look how clean this motherfucker. Virginia in the house. You hear me? Hey. They put on for Virginia last night. You hear me? They put on for him. They put on for their city, you hear me? Scardio, you already know. Ooh, look at this thing, man, I'm telling you. Ooh, look at this thing. Ooh. Look at this thing. Ooh. VA. Ooh. That color, man. It's just that color for me. Ooh. This shit tough as hell. Damn, that shit tough. Damn. Wow, that shit tough as hell. Oh. That bitch tough as hell. Ooh. Bipolar. Get this one right here. Sick. Loader's starting to. They just starting to damn growing, bro. I might gotta get me a set of floaters next. My next wheel might have to be a floater, bro. No cap. No cap. No cap. My next wheel might have to be a floater, bro. I don't know what kind, but it might have to be a floater. For real. It might just have to be a floater, bro. Check these out. This shit's tough. Ooh, that yellow background on the face. Oh, nice. Ooh. Caught some slime. That's a big ass truck. GT, baby. Ooh. This sexy motherfucker right here. Sexy motherfucker. In the beginning, I really didn't like these cars, but they starting to grow on me, bro. Like, they really starting to grow on me. GT. I think it's a V8. Oh, it might be a V6. I don't know. I don't really know too much about these kind of cars. I think it's a V8. I don't know, but that more sexy though. But you already know what it is. You already know what's going on. She hit the street. No play. We out here. Flipping, South Carolina.
Show me how to take a cake, bro. Doing that, put everything I ever stick, bro. Since the day I got my weed up, hot beef from the streets, got no time for the fakes. The phonies, jabronis, the ops or the jakes. My homies, the only who come past the gate. Flag on my ass, no quick.